when I started the clothing, wala pang ganitong mga tools. Parang you have to go to abroad, that's where we buy. But now we have all the tools here to help the clutter and organize our things. And isa lang talaga masasabi ko, para hindi magkaroon ng clutter sa bahay mo, dapat bawat bagay may uuwian. Every item, ultimo paper clip, has a home. It has a place to go back to. It used to be, for me, example, yung car keys, lagi nawawala dati. Dahil ako, I'm honest about it, I wasn't an orderly and organized person before. It would always get lost because sometimes nasa bulsa, sometimes nasa bag. Minsan, nagmamadali ka, iniwan mo sa table. Pagka kailangan na, mo maalala kung saan. But now, because I learned about this, yung pala dapat pati susi may uuwian. So now, we have a pole beside the door. So pagpasok mo ng bahay, lagay mo agad yung susi. So never na kami nawawala ng susi. Dati nasa-stress yung asawa ko sa akin. So pag kailangan yung kotse, mamadali siya. Hindi ko maalala sa kanila yung susi. Oh my God, stress. But now, because everyone knows, dito lang yan, no more stress. Easy. So ganun, everything in the house, dapat lahat ng bagay may uuwian. Okay? So, let's go to storage and organizing tips. Saan natin iuwi itong mga bagay na to? Some tips. Okay? Number 1. Lahat tayo, di ba, may mga shelves. Ganito. I think common in most homes, when we store, okay lang kung konti yung gamit eh. Ganito, di ba? Meron kang empty space. But if you have a lot of things and you have limited storage space, make use of height. It's okay to maximize up until here. Basta malalabas mo pa siya. So you can stack things like this. Kasi some people, they don't use this empty space. So make use of height. You can stack things. You can use clearing shelves para ma-maximize yung space. Okay. When hanging clothes, especially if you pictures. If hanging clothes, I find that it's very helpful if you hang longest to shortest from left to right. Why? Because it will open up some space na you can use as storage. Some people forget na, di ba, kung hindi pantay-pantayan, parang yung storage space mo magiging siguro yung nasa ilalim na lang. But if you maximize na lahat ng mahaba here, and then the shorter ones here, this opens up to a lot of storage na you can use, and you can put bins, you can put pull-out drawers like behind you, there, here, ay mga ganyan. You can use up that space. You can store shoes, diba? Mga things that your bags, ganyan, na otherwise wouldn't have been used. When storing files, don't stack them up na patong-patong. It's always good to have vertical na filing system because it's easier to find things when it's filing cabinet versus nakapatong-patong-patong. Kasi mas mabilis mawala yung documents pag patong-patong. For small items, ito mabilis itong, usually, I'll show you later, mag-do a demo later. Most things, di ba, may junk drawer ka, di ba? Yung parang, or junk basket, na kung saan lang, nakapatong-patong. Yung small items, mahirap hanapin kung natabunan na siya ng mga bagay. For example, most people have a junk drawer, di ba? Yung tambakan na kung ano-ano lang. small items na yan, mahirap hanapin yan kapag laging nakatambak lang. But if you use small trays or organizers and parang bento box na everything has a place, mas madaling maghanap ng gamit. So contain small objects in trays. Another useful tip for me is, kasi alam yung bento box, diba yung mga bento meals, may place for rice, may place for vegetables, may place for the ulam. Ganun din for everything you own. Assignan nyo ng maliit na lugar yung mga paper clips, na ball pens, post-its. Mas madaling maghanap ng bagay kapag naka-organize sila na sama-sama all the same items together. And that's it. So we'll do some